Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve example 9 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry. In my previous videos, I have completed the distance and the section formula, examples 1 to 9 and exercise 7.1 from the same chapter. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click. So now quickly let us begin with the video. Example 9 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry says, find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining the points. There are two given points. Also find the point of intersection. So here they have given us that find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment. So since they have asked us to find out the ratio, so we will apply section formula here. So let me first explain you with the help of a figure here. So we have 2 points be A and B, and the coordinates of these points are given as 5, -6 and -1, -4. So these 2 points form a line segment, and we have a point P which divides this line segment in certain ratio. So we have to find out the ratio in which this point P divides the line segment AB. So whenever they ask us to find out the ratio, we have to always assume the ratio to be k:1. You can also take m1:m2, but it is better you take k:1 ratio, and we have to find out here value of k:1 to determine the ratio in which this point divides the line AB. And also they have given us that find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment. So that means, so this point P lies on y-axis, so we have to also find out the coordinate of point P which lies on y-axis. So this is y and y dash origin, and this is the x-axis. So this point P lies somewhere on the y-axis, and we have to find out the coordinates of point P. I have also explained that the coordinates of point P are the x coordinates will be 0 and y coordinate will have some value on y-axis. This we have already discussed in our previous videos in the introduction part of distance formula. If you have not watched that video, you can find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. Here we have to find out the ratio in which this point P divides the line segment AB, and also we have to find out the coordinates of point. Let us first write down, let the points be point A given by 5, -6 and point B given by -1, -4. Also let us write here the point P lies on y-axis. So therefore x coordinate is 0 and the point P will be 0, 1, which divides the line segment in the ratio k:1. Right, so now let us apply the section formula and find out the ratio in which the point P divides line AB. So let's first write down the section formula, which is given by m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Right, so therefore this point P divides the line in the ratio k:1. Therefore we will have m1 value as equal to k and m2 value as equal to 1, and the coordinates of point P which divides the line is P 0, y. So this point P divides the line in the ratio m1:m2. So let us apply the formula now, where m1 value is k and let point A be x1, y1 and point B be x2, y2. And also this point P divides the line in the ratio m1:m2. So what is the coordinates of point P? It is 0, y, which divides the line. So let us now apply the section formula. So what is m1 value? It is k is to x2 is -1 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 5 divided by m1 plus m2, that is k plus 1, and the y coordinate part will be m1 again, that is k, into y2 -4 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is -6 divided by m1 plus m2, that is k plus 1 again. So now again simplifying further, so k into -1 will be -k plus 5 into 1 will 5 divided by k plus 1 and k into minus 4 is minus 4k, minus 6 into 1 is minus 6 divided by k plus 1. So the point is 0 comma y. So now let us equate the x coordinate of point P to the x coordinate part here and equate the y coordinate part to y coordinate we obtain by using section formula. So 0 is equal to minus k plus 5 divided by k plus 1 and y is equal to minus 4k minus 6 divided by k plus 1. So here first let us solve this part and find out the k value so that we can substitute here and find out the y value. So we have 0 is equal to minus k plus 5 divided by k plus 1. So let us cross multiply. So if cross multiplying, 0 into k plus 1 will be 0. That is 0 into k plus 1 is equal to minus k plus 5. So anything into 0 will be 0 equal to minus k plus 5. So sending this minus k to left hand side, we will get k is equal to 5. So we got the value of k. So therefore you can write down the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment is, the ratio is k is to 1. So here value of k is 5. So the ratio will be 5 is to 1. Now let us take this part, y is equal to minus 4k minus 6 divided by k plus 1. Now let us substitute k is equal to 5 here. So we will get y is equal to minus 4 into k value is 5 minus 6 divided by k is 5 plus 1. So therefore we get y is equal to minus 4 into 5 is minus 20 minus 6 divided by 5 plus 1 is 6. So here we get minus 26 divided by 6. So we can cancel in table 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So therefore we get y value as equal to minus 13 divided by 3. Right, so we had to find out two values, that is the ratio k is to 1 which we found out to be 5 is to 1, and also the coordinate of point P where we had to find out the y value. So here the coordinate of point P will be 0 comma minus 13 by 3. So therefore you can write down, hence the point of intersection is at P 0 comma minus 13 divided by 3. Right, so this is how we solve this problem. If you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving example 10 from chapter 7 coordinate geometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC NCERT math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 7 coordinate geometry shown on the screen. Thank you.